Olivia, Wolfgang Schäuble, the finance minister of Germany, just now said the risk lies with Greece during the period of negotiations. He's referring, of course, to this 50 billion euro fund that's supposed to be backed by Greek assets. You were just speaking with Georgios Stathakis, the economy minister of Greece, and I was shocked to hear him say the 50 billion euros just isn't there. Do we have those 50 billion euros or not?
No. The economy minister certainly doesn't think this is realistic, which is very curious. The economy minister is a member of Syriza. He is a friend of Alexis Tsipras. I haven't spoken to anybody who thinks that 50 billion euros in state asset sales is actually going to happen. Brendan, since George Papandreou in 2011 started trying to do this, started trying to figure out how to sell airports and seaports and private real estate assets, they've only sold $3.5 billion. So please tell me if you have any idea where they're going to find 50 billion euros worth of assets, which is roughly 20% of the overall Greek economy. So he thinks that target is way off. He thinks, if anything, it will ultimately be under $10 billion. I will tell you this, though, about asset sales. I am staying at a very fancy hotel nearby. I have bumped into two American friends, one from a REIT, one from a hedge fund. I won't say which ones they are, but they are both here because they were sent by their bosses who perceive that perhaps the Greek economy has actually hit a nadir now, and they are here essentially shopping for distressed assets. So I thought that was interesting. Brendan?
Well, again, the concern has always been that the assets aren't sold in a way that benefits the Greek government the best, but they're sold in a fire sale at the lowest possible cost. As you have known for the last 5 years, the only way to talk about any euro crisis is to look for the next deadline. Help us understand, what's the whip count right now for the conditions that Europe has asked Greek to pass?
So the whip count, I don't know the exact numbers. It looks like, obviously, he's going to lose his majority in government. You are seeing Syriza splinter off. There's been one resignation. The Kamenos, who is the leader of his coalition party, the Independent Greeks, he said he's not going to support this. But overall, it is very likely that he is going to find the support from the opposition candidates. Just finally, I want to leave you with some news that we did break about an hour ago with the economy minister on the banks. He told me the banks are not going to open until Monday. A few days up till now, essentially, we thought there was a chance that the ECB might weigh in on Wednesday after the Greek vote. He said no, he thinks the banks won't open until Monday. Capital controls, he said, are going to stay in place for a couple of months, and he thinks the cabinet reshuffle could happen as soon as today. Back to you.
Okay, Olivia Stearns in Athens takes a look inside the treasure chest, finds that the 50 billion euros that's supposed to be there as a security during negotiations is not there. Yeah,